it's the tech developer, and in today's video we will be reviewing the Huawei Y7p. So without any further ado, let's get started. Starting with the design, the Y7p comes in two different colors. One of them is the Aurora Blue and the other one is Midnight Black. I'm currently using the Aurora Blue. So let's start by talking about the display. So the display is a bezel-less punch-hole 6.39-inch IPS LCD display. So at a resolution of 720 by 1560 pixels, the color output is quite decent and the details look sharp enough for normal usage, which is fine in this budget range. Moving on to the camera, one of the main reasons to buy this phone is the amazing camera that it comes with. The Y7p has a triple rear camera, a 48 megapixel camera, an 8 megapixel camera and a 2 megapixel one, and an 8 megapixel front camera. I personally think a better job could be done on the front camera, as many better front-end cameras are available in such a range, but I find the rear camera images pretty crisp. With that being said, here are some of the images I took with this phone. Moving on to the speed. Speed is one of the factors that can manipulate the buying decision of a phone. Huawei Y7p comes with 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, which is expandable to about 512GB. It's running on Android 9.1, which is the Pie. Thanks to the HiSilicon Kirin 710F chipset, which helps in the smooth running of games. Last but not the least, the phone utilizes a lithium-ion 4000 mAh battery. The battery life is between 20 to 22 hours. According to Huawei's website, it can last for 22 hours of video playback. Personally tested, it takes about 2 hours to charge the phone, and it comes with a 10-watt standard charger, which is not the fastest, but it's okay in this price range again. Sadly, the phone does not support Google services, which means you cannot install Google Play Store, YouTube, Gmail and all the Google products on this phone. However, Huawei has decided to get its App Store, which is the App Gallery. You'll find most of the daily used apps here, so it's not a big issue, but sadly no YouTube. But you can just download APKs, I guess. So to conclude, if you are looking for a budget phone in 2020, this phone is a good one to go for. With all those features packed into such a less cost is insane. This phone is probably available in the market for around $150. Anyway, that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.